currently 4 days, not counting the actual day of application, since my little green effect debacle, brouhaha, hate fest, whatever you want to call it. But I'm happy to announce, and I posted a 1 day and a 2 day. The 1 day was a YouTube post. The 2 day was an Instagram that also got blasted on Twitter and Facebook. But I have noticed a pretty decent color response from that application. So here it is now, you can see it, and this is pre-mow. We're getting ready to mow as well today, but this is what it looks like 4 days after. So again, I am seeing some decent color response. What I'm also seeing though, even from that, it ended up being around 0.22 pounds N per M, is the Bermuda's not growing much anymore. It hasn't been growing a lot really for like the past 4 weeks, but holy crap, the HGT is just on fire. Okay, let's get on with this mow. We'll take a look at both the backyard and the front yard today to see how the front yard's recovering from Chatty Cathy's fungus issues that scalp Bermuda, if you don't know that. So if you scalp your lawn, you do have rust. It's a proven fact by golf course management degree holders that post on TikTok and like cold brew coffee. Time to interrupt this mow real quick. I know you all are really enjoying it. Hold on, let me bump this up a bit. There we go. But with the elimination of the pool has brought in new challenges. As you noticed before, I spent a lot of time up in that area in the previous little segment, and that's because this stripe here that runs with the patio goes that way. Then I have one coming back, another one going back that way. But when I do my perimeter passes, the 2 passes are also going that way. So I have to back in and come back over those so my stripes line up, because that is needed with a world-class golf course lawn. And I have to do the same over in this area as well. So let's finish this. Done with the mow. Backyard, got double fat stripes, single cut, needed to be done twice though. Front yard though, I did cut and perform the double cut on that in the same normal pattern I do, but I just went single stripes. Backyard is looking pretty good. Front yard though, while it's looking better than it did earlier this summer, there's a lot of work involved with it on what I need to do to bring it back, and it's going to be a dedicated video solely because it's a lot to cover and it'll make this one just way too long. So that's it with this, the Blue Muta, kind of an update, kind of a mow job. Things are looking really good back here. They're looking better in the front. If you have any questions on Blue Muta, feel free to drop them below. You can also email me, michael@reellowdad.com. I'll be more than happy to help you out with any questions you have. And don't forget, I have every Blue Muta video I've done in a dedicated Blue Muta playlist where you can watch through my whole process of me experimenting and trying out this interesting concept for a home lawn. So with that, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button down below. Any questions on anything else, let me know. If I'm a hater, go ahead and like the video anyway, because I provide useful information and inspiration. With that, it's Mike, Real Low Dad. We'll see ya.